Hi friends, this is High Speed Door, manufactured and installed by Insight Automations. High-speed doors are designed for safe, efficient, and simple operation of any internal busy doorways. Insight Automations are the leading high-speed door manufacturers in India. The purpose of high-speed doors is smooth and noiseless operation. The door curtain rolls up at a very high speed on the shaft, which in turn is directly connected to the high-performance drives. This door is installed at Lulu Hypermarket at Palakkad, Kerala. Any requirement for high-speed door? Contact Insight Automations. These high-speed doors can be integrated with touchless solutions that reduces the risk of the spreading of infection in your premises and public areas through contacts. These touchless solutions can also detect persons with mask, proximity card, and temperature of the people.